Do you want to know why it's the best time of year to fit a pop-top roof? Well, stick around, you're going to find out. Hi there, my name is Neil, and if you are looking for all sorts of van life related content, then you parked yourself in the right place. Also, I'm going to be taking on some great adventures as well. So, subscribe, turn on the post notification bell so you can keep up with all my latest videos. So fitting a pop-top roof is kind of easy. All it consists of is really cutting a hole in the top of the van, putting the roof on, bolting it down, and that's really about it. Yeah, you've got to tidy it up. You've got to make it look pretty. You've got to finish off the inside. You've got to make sure there's no sharp edges. But it's not really major mechanics. It's not really something that the average person can't do. So your pop-top, which is this, will run the full length of the van. Once the pop-top is raised, it's going to give you enough room for another bed upstairs. It's going to give you enough room to walk around in the van, to stand up, to be able to cook. It just gives you so much space. It doubles the space in the van. It gives you storage space upstairs for when you're camping somewhere. It gives you, it's just do it. It's cheap, just do it. These two straps, that's the only thing that holds the roof down to the actual structure of the van while you're driving along. You just undo one, you undo the other, and then you just push up. It's that simple. Now, once your roof is up, it gives you literally, I can stand up on the roof and I can reach up to the sky. No, I'm not Buzz Lightyear. Now, I bought my kit off eBay. It was about £800. That included delivery, and it come from a guy in Sheffield. When the kit arrived, I expected all sorts of instructions. There was none. There was no instructions. It came with a roof. It came with 2 bags. One bag was full of nuts and bolts. One bag was full of metal bits. But it was kind of self-explanatory. It was like really self-explanatory. Now, when it comes to cutting the hole for the roof, I was unsure on the size. But the actual roof itself covers all of your roof. You've got to take into consideration for the likes of struts. You've also got to take into consideration for the likes of the hinges that are on the back as well. This isn't rocket science. Any idiot can do that. If this idiot can do it, you can do it. Now, your roof does come with a curtain on the inside. It's lined on the top as well, and it also comes with a window. Let there be light. Yeah, it does come with a window. You can have optional windows fitted into the side as well. Personally, I didn't want them. Now, the good thing about the pop-top roof is, as well as it giving you enough room to stand around, you can actually fit another bed above your bed to fit an extra person. So, like your daughter, your son, somebody like that. But if you want to go spending £5,000 on a roof to fit an adult up there, crack on, because I don't. So this section here is going to be where your spare bed or your upper bunk would be. We do have one because my daughter comes out with us. We've also fitted fancy lights down the side as well so she can see over night time. Boom, fancy lights. With one clip, we can put this down. There is another section. Which is this part here, which locks into space. And then this part folds over to give you a full-size bed. I'm back again. I hinge this part and it just sits on the inner lips. We'll get on about the inner lips in a minute. Now, when you get your pop-top roof, it does come with long fiberglass parts, which are these side bits just here. Yes, I've covered them in Veltrim, but they just come as fiberglass parts. It's a 3/4 MDF bottom with a fiberglass moulding. There you go. They're strong. As well as having a big bag of nuts and bolts, it does come with some steel parts as well. 2 main steel sections run along the ribs, the supporting ribs that go along each side of the van. They just bolt into place. The van kind of tells you and shows you where they go. You've got a front section that sits in the front, which is just there, and that bolts in right across there to strengthen the front. Self-explanatory. There's a back one as well. That does exactly the same. You've just got to take your time. You've just got to cut the hole out. Now, there's a picture. Put it there. That's me after the hole was cut out. The only video that I've got is this one. It's not much, but you can see the hole cutting out. Yes, the van was blue. We done it about 3 years ago. The roof has never leaked. The roof has never given us any problems. The roof has stood up to all types of weather. Wind, snow, rain, hurricanes, tsunami, no. But you know, British weather, crap. The actual tent, you've got to cut the tent. And I mean, you've got to get a pair of scissors and cut it. The kit comes with, they're basically plastic edging strips. They're about 5 mm thick and about 1 inch wide. Now, you just take your fabric and you roll it inside the plastic strip. You put it down to your actual van roof, and then you self-tap it all the way down, about 2-3 inches apart, all the way around the van. Right the way around the front, right the way around the back, all the way around. Then you just go around the outside of it with a bead of silicone. How long did it take? Oof. 2 days. Literally 2 days. 1 day to cut the roof out, measure, you know, what we needed to do, actually get on the roof, make the markings, cut the roof out, put the roof on, bolt it down, make sure all the inside was tidy, there was no rough edges. We put the strengthening bars in, and then we just put the roof down for the night and left it like that. Day 2, went in there, Veltrimmed all the actual pieces up beforehand anyway, measured up for those, put them pieces in, screwed them up, tidied it all off, screwed the actual curtains down to the side, and put a beam of mastic all the way around. It's been as good a roof as the ones that you pay £2,000–3,000 for, that are fitted by a proper roofing company that basically just want to charge you for their expertise and their skills. But there's one thing that I will say. There's a couple of roofing manufacturers in the UK, and I've personally seen the jobs they do, and it's not as good of a job that I have done myself. The inside of them, it looks a bit tacky. The inside of them just looks not finished off. It just looks a little bit shit, basically. And people have spent good money on doing it because they don't believe that they can do it themselves. You can do it yourself. Believe me, you can do it. So the main reason why you want to be doing a roof at this time of year is because the price. The price of these roofs are cheap. The price of actually buying the roof is probably half the price as it would be in June, July, August, because it's winter. If you think about it, it's the best time. We do get some nice days in the UK in the winter. It's a job that will take you a couple of days, and it's a job that you can work around the season. You can work around the winter days and nights, and you can just get the job done. But ultimately, it saves you money. It's cheaper. So don't forget, if you found any of the information helpful in the video, leave us a thumbs up, comment. If you're doing your roof yourself, leave us some comments, ask me some questions. It's dead simple. I'm here to help you. But first of all, you've got to subscribe. Subscribe, turn on your post notifications so you don't miss any videos. And if you don't subscribe,